Hello, dear students. How are you today? Welcome to Math Classroom. I miss you so much. Today we are going to learn Chapter 11, Lesson 3, Surface Area of Prisms and Pyramids using nets. So, last week we learned how to create nets in Lesson 2, right? This week we are going to learn how to find out the surface area of the three-dimensional shape using this net, okay? Before starting, as usual, my dear students, prepare a pen and your notebook to write answers and to write down your notes. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. We will start with the warm-up questions. No need to write down the question, only write your answer in your notebook, okay? Then compare your answer with the model answer. Identify the figure described, okay? Number 1, 2 parallel congruent faces with the other faces being parallelograms. Finished? Did you write prism? Yes, it's right answer. The prism is a 3D shape, has 2 parallel congruent faces with the other faces being parallelograms. That's right. Question number 2. Polyhedron that has a vertex and a face at opposite ends with the other faces being triangles. Did you write pyramid? If yes, that's right. The pyramid is a 3-dimensional shape, has a vertex and a face at the opposite end, with the other faces being triangles. Okay? Can you see the difference between the prism and pyramid? The prism has 2 parallel congruent faces, but the pyramid has a vertex opposite to a face. Okay, that means it has one base, and opposite to this base, it has a vertex. Okay, can you see the difference now? Okay, fine. Let's complete. Our objective for today to find the surface areas of prisms and pyramids. Okay, but first of all, what is a surface area? The surface area of a 3-dimensional figure is the sum of the areas of its surfaces. Again, it's the sum of the areas of its surfaces. How I can know these surfaces? It's the faces. We already know how to represent this figure using net, right? So if I find area of each face, I can add all of them together to find out the total surface area of the solid figure. How we will do this? Let's see together. Let's take rectangular prism as an example. Here we can see together the rectangular prism, right? Let's disassemble it. Yeah, we will disassemble this rectangular prism. What we can see? I can see top, bottom, front, back, side 1, and side 2. So, how many faces I have? Yes, 6 faces. All of them are rectangles, or in some questions, it can be 4 rectangles and 2 squares. Okay? Let's talk about the standard one. All of them are rectangles. Okay? So, if I want to find the area of rectangular prism, I have to find out area of each face separately. Then add all of them together. How we can do this? Let's practice and see example number 1. The question will come to you same like this. Okay, find the surface area S. This is the abbreviation for surface area. Okay, S of the prism. And here I give you these dimensions: 2, 12, and 5, and the net. In most questions, I will give you the net ready like this. When you will check your book, you will find it like this. The net is ready, okay? So, how we will start? This is the net of the rectangular prism, right? How many faces I can see? I can see 6 faces. All of them are rectangles, right? And we know the area of rectangle is what? Yes, length multiply width. Okay? Okay. To, to, to can find the area of the total area of the whole rectangular prism, or the surface area of the rectangular prism, the most easier thing to label each figure same like this. Can you see the letters which I wrote here? A, B, C, D, E, F. Can you saw them? Okay. This one I did to just make it easier for me. Okay. You can also label them as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. It's up to you. Okay. Then I will start to find each area and write it down here. Like area of A, this one, the 2 dimensions which I have is 2 and 5, right? So using formula of rectangle, I will multiply length and width, 5 and 2. 5 and 2 equals what? 10. Second, I will take B. Can you see B? Can you see rectangle B? It has 2 dimensions also, 5 and 12. So to find B, area of B, I'm going to multiply 5 and 12 to get 60. And I will do same with all of them. To find C, I have 2 dimensions, 2 and 12. 2 multiply 12 give you what? Yes, 24. D, area of D will be 5 multiply 12 equals 60. E, 2 multiply 12 equals 24. F, the last one down here, it has 2 dimensions also, 2 and 5, so it will be 10. Now, what I did, I calculate area of each figure separately. Then it's easy for me because I have rectangles. I can calculate area of rectangle using formula length multiply width, right? Now, after writing each area, what I'm going to do now to add all together, all of them together. 10 plus 60 plus 24 plus 60 plus 24 plus 10 equal 188. And don't forget to write down the unit. Okay, it's very important. Okay, does that make sense? Before moving to example number 2, I want you to see something here. Can I see here any congruent faces? Yes, I have. I have this one, A and F. They are same, right? I have here also B and D. They are same. C and F. Sorry, C and E. They are same. So, from beginning, if I can see any 2 congruent faces, I can calculate one of them and then multiply it by 2. It will be easier for me. But if you don't know to do this, no problem. You can do same like what I did now, step by step, to find out the total surface area. Okay? Is it fine? Okay. Let's move to example number 2, using the pyramid. Okay, first of all, let's also disassemble this pyramid. What we will get? One base, triangle, second one, 3, and 4. So in my figure here, I have 4 triangles and 1 rectangle down, or square, according to the your figure. Okay, so to find out its total surface area, what I'm going to do, I will calculate area of each face, then I will add all of them together. If I have some congruent figures, same like here, I have congruent figures. Yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. They are same, right? So instead of calculate 4 times same area, I can do like this here in our example. I have 4 triangles, same 4 congruent triangles. So I can calculate one of them and then multiply it by 4. Okay, how we will do this? Let's see. If I have a pyramid like this with dimensions like shown here, square base with dimension 7, okay, and triangle with base 7 and height 8. How I can find out its area? I just give you time till writing your steps in your paper, then we will compare your answer by the model answer. Yes, let's see. To find out the total surface area, I will repeat the steps again. First, we have to find each area separately. Like here I have 5 faces. How many steps I have to do? 5 steps. Area of square, area of triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. And in case if I have 4 congruent shapes like here, I can find only one, then multiply it by 4. So, do you remember what is the formula of area of square? Yes, it's side by side or side square. So the side here equals what? 7. Side square means 7 square or 7 multiply 7. Okay? Okay. Formula of triangle, area of triangles equal what? Do you remember it? We learned it together before. I multiply the base by the height, then half it. Do you remember? Yes. We are going to multiply the base by the height, then divide by 2. So in my case here, I have base 7, height 8. 7 multiply 8 equals what? Yes, 56. Then half it means then divide by 2. 56 by 2 equals 28. Right? So I have to calculate each triangle, or I can multiply this 28 easily by 4. Yes, I will do this. So let's see. First, as I told you, we'll write down what we are going to do. Like here, I have to find area of square. Then I will multiply 4 by area of triangular face and add them. Okay, this is the steps which I will do it. No need to write this formula in your answer. You can go direct with the steps, okay? So first I will find out the area of square, which is side square, and 4 multiply area of triangle, which is half base height. Then start substituting this step by write down numbers instead of letters. Small s here, the side equals what? 7. B equals what? 7. It's the base of triangle. H equal what? 8. It's the height of the triangle. So I'm going to write it like this. 7 squared plus 4 multiply half 7 and 8. Okay, using order of operations, we have first to solve the power and the bracket, then start complete my steps. 7 power 2 means 7 multiply 7, it will be 49. Half plus 4, same, multiply, solve the bracket, half multiply 7 multiply 8, it will give me 28. Now, which operation I have to start by, the addition or the multiplication? Yes, the multiplication. So, I will multiply 4 by 28, then add the answer to 49. 4 multiply 28, it will give you 112. Add it to 49, you will get 161, and don't forget the unit. It's very important, okay? Is it clear? Is it fine? Does it make sense? Okay, let me repeat again the steps one more time before leaving you to your assignment. To find out surface area of any three-dimensional figure, first step, to create the net of this figure. If you have it, it's fine. Second, write the dimensions of the net. Okay, if also you have it, it's fine. And as I told you, in most questions, I will give it to you ready, the net and the dimensions. Number 3, find area of each face. Okay. Number 4, to add all of them together. Add all areas of all faces. Okay. Number 5, write the unit of the area. Okay. Do you understand now how to find surface area of 3D shape using nets? Okay. Open your assignment now. Start do it. And if you have any question, join me in Zoom meeting to clarify your doubts. See you soon. Bye.